What's up, you guys? I purchased an ETS upper intercooler piping for my Evo 10 and I decided to make an unboxing video because I was inspired by James May. So thank you for that, Sir James May. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, watch the Grand Tour Season 3, Episode 10. You're welcome. Alright then, let's get started. The packaging is just absolutely beautiful. Everything is properly protected. Here we have the rear upper pipe in wrinkle black. I chose wrinkle black because it gives the engine bay a nice stealth look. It almost makes it look stock to the untrained eye. This is the reducing coupler from the turbo's 1.75 inch pipe to the new 2.5 inch pipe. And this coupler is for pipe to pipe or pipe to intercooler. There's two of these of the same size. This is the front upper intercooler pipe. It's honestly the exact same thing as the stock one. It's just wrinkle black. You don't have to spend the money on this one if you don't want to. It's the same thing. But I didn't want to go through the trouble of painting my stock one. And then you also get some ETS stickers, so you can show everyone on the street that you mean business. A thank you note from ETS. Thank you notes are always nice. They make you feel a bit better about getting raped on the price. No, but seriously, thank you notes are nice. I always appreciate details like this. And a packing list to make sure they included everything in your order. That's good, I like that. And here's the main reason why I went with ETS, the T-bolt clamps. There are other kits out there that don't provide these. And when you're pushing 32 pounds of pure glory, a water hose clamp is just not gonna cut it. These are expensive by themselves, so you might as well get the entire upper intercooler piping kit. There are 5 of them of the same size. Then there's one smaller one for the reducing coupler. So a total of 6 clamps. Pro tip: save this packaging in case you sell your stock piping. You have shipping supplies already. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.